Here's a more detailed, clinically enriched explanation of Opipramol, expanded for deeper understanding, useful for exams, viva, and clinical practice. Opipramol detailed drug profile. 1. Generic name, class, brand forms. Generic name, Opipramol. Class, tricyclic antidepressant TCA derivative. Functional class, anxiolytic plus sedative. Brands inside on, Pramolin. Forms. Tablets, 50 milligrams and 100 milligrams. Extended film-coated tablets in some countries. 2. Definition, expanded. Opipramol is a non-classical tricyclic antidepressant that primarily acts as an anxiolytic agent, rather than a typical antidepressant. It is especially effective in psychosomatic and anxiety-related conditions, where emotional distress presents with physical symptoms, e.g., chest tightness, GI discomfort. 3. Mechanism of action, in depth. Unlike standard TCAs, primary mechanism, strong sigma receptor agonist, C1 and 2 receptors, modulates emotional processing and stress response. Secondary effects, weak inhibition of serotonin, 5-HT reuptake, norepinephrine, NE reuptake. Receptor interactions, histamine H1 blockade, sedation, muscarinic receptor blockade, anticholinergic effects, mild alpha-1 blockade, dizziness, hypotension. Clinical interpretation, strong anxiolytic plus calming effect, less potent antidepressant effect, good for somatic anxiety. Number 4, pharmacokinetics, detailed. Absorption, rapidly absorbed from GI tract, peak plasma concentration, 2 to 4 hours. Distribution, high lipophilicity, crosses blood-brain barrier. Protein binding, to 90 to 95% hepatic metabolism via cytochrome P450 enzymes. Active metabolites contribute to effect. Elimination, half-life 6 to 11 hours, parent drug, excreted mainly in urine, partly in feces. Clinical note, effects may persist longer due to active metabolites. Number 5. Uses, expanded clinical use, generalized anxiety disorder, GAD, somatoform disorders, psychosomatic illnesses, irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, functional cardiac symptoms, sleep disturbances secondary to anxiety, mild depression with anxiety. Number 6, indications, more specific. Chronic anxiety with physical complaints, patients with palpitations, muscle tension, gastrointestinal distress, anxiety in elderly, with caution. Contraindications, detailed. Absolute, hypersensitivity, acute intoxication, alcohol, sedatives, relative, severe hepatic impairment, angle closure glaucoma, benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, cardiac conduction disorders. 8. Precautions, expanded. Cardiac patients, ECG monitoring recommended. Epilepsy, lower seizure threshold. Elderly, high fall risk due to sedation. Pregnancy, use only if benefits outweigh risks. Alcohol potentiates CNS depression. 9. How to use, clinical advice. Take after meals to reduce GI upset. Divide doses throughout the day. Evening dose may be higher due to sedation. Maintain consistent timing. Now 10. Dosing, detailed. Adults, start 50 milligrams per day. Usual, 100 to 150 milligrams per day. Divided doses, 300 milligrams per day. Elderly, start low, 25 to 50 milligrams per day. Titrate slowly. Duration, minimum 4 to 6 weeks trial. Long-term use common in chronic anxiety. Of 11. Missed dose and overdose, expanded. Missed dose, take ASAP. Skip if near next dose. Avoid doubling. Overdose, serious. CNS depression, respiratory depression, cardiac arrhythmias, coma management, hospitalization, cardiac monitoring, supportive care. Numbers 12. Stopping the drug, gradual tapering required. Sudden stop may cause anxiety rebound, insomnia, irritability. Side effects, detailed. Common, sedation, very common, dry mouth, constipation, sweating, fatigue. Moderate, orthostatic hypotension, weight gain, blurred vision. Serious, cardiac arrhythmias, seizures, confusion, elderly, liver enzyme elevation. Number of vital information, high yield points, more anxiolytic than antidepressant, less cardiotoxic than classic TCAs, widely used in Europe, less common elsewhere. Onset, sedation early, anxiety relief, 1 to 2 weeks. Number 15, drug interactions, detailed. CNS depressants, sedation, MAO inhibitors, contraindicated, anticholinergics, dry mouth, constipation, antiarrhythmics, cardiac risk. SSRIs may alter metabolism. Number 16, drug comparison expanded, feature Opipramol, amitriptyline, diazepam, class atypical TCA, benzodiazepine, main use, anxiety, depression, anxiety acute, sedation, moderate, high, dependence, no. No, yes. Mechanism, sigma agonist, monoamine block, GABA enhancement. Safety, moderate, lower risk of dependence. Number 17, patient teaching, Opipramol. Here's a clear, patient-friendly, and exam-ready guide. 1. How to take the medicine. Take exactly as prescribed by your doctor. Usually taken 2 to 3 times daily after meals. Swallow tablets whole with water. Take at the same time every day. 2. Do not stop suddenly. Do not stop abruptly. Sudden stopping can cause anxiety rebound, sleep problems, irritability. Always follow gradual dose reduction as advised. 3. Effects and expectations. You may feel sleepy or relaxed early. Anxiety improvement may take 1 to 2 weeks. Full benefit may take several weeks. 4. Activities and safety. Avoid driving, operating machinery until you know how the drug affects you. Get up slowly from sitting lying position. Prevents dizziness, falls. 5. Avoid alcohol and sedatives. Alcohol increases drowsiness, risk of accidents. Avoid combining with sleeping pills unless prescribed. 6. Managing common side effects. Dry mouth, drink water, chew sugar-free gum. Constipation, increase fiber, fluids. Drowsiness, take larger dose at night if advised. 7. When to seek medical help. Contact doctor immediately if you have irregular heartbeat, severe dizziness or fainting, confusion or unusual behavior, allergic reaction, rash, swelling, breathing difficulty. 8. Inform your doctor about other medicines you are taking, history of heart disease, liver problems, seizures, pregnancy, or breastfeeding. 9. Missed dose advice. Take as soon as you remember. Skip if close to next dose. Do not double the dose. 10. Storage instructions. Store at room temperature. Keep away from heat, moisture. Keep out of reach of children. 11. Lifestyle advice. Combine medicine with stress reduction techniques, regular sleep schedule, counseling if needed. Simple patient message, easy to remember. Take regularly, don't stop suddenly, avoid alcohol, and report unusual symptoms. Thank you. Have a nice day.